Hey guys, it's Eric here, and today is the launch of the Camon 11 Pro and Camon 11 in Nigeria. Currently outdoors, and I just wanted to get you guys like a live hands-on directly from the event. I am right now in front of the venue, so yeah, let's go through some of the specs on the phone. And this is my first time of doing a hands-on, so I literally don't know all the information, so I'm just going to read it for you. It has 6 gigabytes of storage, or 64 gigabytes of storage, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 24 megapixel camera, which I'm guessing is the front camera here with flash, and on the back you have a 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel AI camera, and that beautiful gradient color. So let me just wipe down for dramatic effect. So you have a beautiful gradient color, yeah. So yeah, and you have that quad flash for the camera on the back. On the left you have the usual power button and volume rocker keys. On the bottom you have the micro USB port, a speaker, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Here you have a 3-in-1 tray that houses 2 4G LTE ready nano SIMs and 1 SD card. On the top you have nothing there. That's pretty much this hands-on video. I want to keep it short because there's still going to be an unboxing video for later. It has a 3750 mAh battery, same one as the Camon X Pro. If you guys haven't seen that, you guys should check that out. This one has a HD Plus display, as you can see here, on Android 8.1 Oreo Go, or not Go edition, Android 8.1 Oreo. So yeah, Android 8.1 Oreo. Also has the HiOS version 4.1. We've only seen the HiOS version 3 point something in the past, so this is a new HiOS version. Hopefully it comes with some of the upgrades to fix all of the issues with the former HiOS. If you had any issues with the HiOS in the past, I hope this fixes that for you. So this is a camera-centric and youthful device, from the twilight color, the gradient color that has the blue purple that leads to a dark thing. It's beautiful, and the notch as well, for those who like the notch. I kind of prefer the notch for the real estate and stuff like that. So again, I'm sorry about the noise of this video. As you can see, I'm outdoors, and I hope that I'll catch you guys in my unboxing video. So you guys should hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.